So this is an experience I've written down. So there is a gentleman. We were having a chat on the art of Zen meditation and stuff. He says, so I did not begin writing because that was something I liked. I started writing because I figured out a way out of pain. It didn't take me too long to realize that I didn't want to spend my life creating or exaggerating problems only to think and feel my way out of it for the sake of a job, because I worked in a creative line of work and stuff. But I wanted to be honestly able to write and create just because I'm alive and breathing and I can write. Okay. So I had to learn that my expression did not need to be justified. It is valid because I'm a human being and I'm the same as you and everybody else. In the meantime, I tried all the classic routines of writing, all the greats, all the promised formulas for consistent rhythmic writings and stuff in creations. You know what it is? Jazz, just lean. I tried to be really structured. I did anything to induce the flow, intentionally probed the deepest, darkest, untouched corners of myself. I put myself in a routine even when I didn't want to, and I found every bit of it to be dead ended. I was trying to create a structure within a structure where a structure needed to be placed, and it did little more than to make the process stagnate. Rather than feeling alive, I was feeling more dead. And you know what happened to me is that I started imagining that I was becoming more of a rock rather than actually feeling lighter or flowing. I stopped doing all of that and I started actually talking to people and I started feeling a lot more hopeful and stuff. So that's why I said, that sometimes people say, passion is the most important. Yes, passion is important, passion is important. Logic is also very important. See, what happens is when you are, when you're in a passionate affair of writing a book or making a video or doing a TV series or even drumming or even writing a book or even let's say cooking and stuff, as long as the passion is there, that keeps going on. But the moment the passion is over, let's say between two people or a team of people and stuff, then the whole thing goes off. But the point is, as long as the inner work, the inner creativity is there, the inspiration is there. Even if one person goes off tangent of passion and stuff, the creativity or the inspiration of the other person will hold the team together or get them back on track and stuff. And same is with the logic. Logic is like, okay, so one person is not feeling that great, one person is going down, so let me just pull the person up or get the person on track. Maybe it will be through inspiration, maybe it will be through taking them out for a coffee or a date, or making them have a whiskey, making them a nice cup of soup, maybe taking them for a walk, maybe taking them to their favorite place or whatever. Logic comes into place and logic says, ठीक है, इसको favorite picture इसकी दिखाओ so that he feels a little more inspired, and he wants to come back on track and stuff and all that. So inspiration is equally important. Maybe take him, if he's a photographer, take him to one of the best places where he gets inspired and stuff, so take him there. So it's not always passion, it's also inspiration and logic that defines everything. So the guy says, in the true sense of real sense, I find that the most creativity can only be fostered when you learn to do things without passing judgment, or when you're trying to not control your creativity, or when you're not, getting structured, and when you're not touching parts of you in a forced manner. So, hence, I say, let it flow, let it glow. You know what I normally say? I normally follow this, and I advise people big time. Do this, observe your thoughts, let your feelings flow, let them go. गुस्सा आ रहा है, आने दीजिए. खुंदक हो रही है, होने दीजिए. पुरानी मेमोरीज आ रही है, आने दीजिए. पिक्चर्स प्ले कर रहे हैं, होने दीजिए. म्यूजिक देखा है, डेफ लेपर्ड देखा है, माइकल बोल्टन सुना है, लेड जेपलिन सुना है, या लता मंगेशकर जी को देखा है, या चलिए ऋतिक रोशन को देखा है, रिचर्ड गियर को देखा है, पुरानी गर्लफ्रेंड्स की फोटोज देखी है. आ रहा है, आने दीजिए. यू सीन ऑल ऑफ दैट, दे आर स्टोर्ड इन योर ब्रेन समवेयर और द अदर. बचपन के पिक्चर्स आ रहे हैं, आने दीजिए. लेट इट कम, बट द पॉइंट इज, लेट इट जस्ट गो till the time you come to a path of zero, a path of being focused and centered and feeling peace. So So my advice and my suggestion is, some of you might want to write down how you normally feel and stuff. So if you feel great after you write down, then it means that your writing is really helping you and stuff. But if it is actually not making you feel that great and all the negative emotions and everything are coming out, what's highly advisable, you need to talk to people about it. Maybe see a therapist, maybe see a counselor, find a mentor somewhere and talk about it and stuff. Because sometimes, in the realm of creativity and stuff, maybe those are those emotions you're not dealt with and stuff. So what's very important is to understand is that you can't control or quantify creativity. You can't. You just can't. So if you were going to quantify or control creativity, you would not have any genius work happening and stuff. So what's very important is to let it flow, let it grow. And if you're an expressive person, keep expressing. If people around you do not like the idea that you're expressive, and let's say you have a flair for talking and the other person doesn't have the patience and stuff, then that other person is not meant for you. Find a circle where if people are as much of a talker or a smooth, expressive person as you are. So rather than feeling like a Ando Mein Kana Raja, always a good idea to find a similar circle, and you'll be surprised that there are a lot of people who may be as expressive and as open-minded and as great talkers as you are, or as expressive as you are. So एक दो लोग अगर आपको बोल दें तो it's not the end of the world and stuff. So the more you comfortable you feel with your core self, the more you're able to create from a wonderful space. Just because whenever you want you can create, and wherever you want you can create. So if somebody says कि आप आपकी क्रिएटिविटी को थोड़ा मल्टीप्लाई करके आइए, और थोड़े और मिर्च मसाला डाल के लाइए, ये सब सो दे टेल यू ऑल दिस, you have to basically work on 2 3 things. You don't have to follow a structured part, you don't have to be a control freak, you don't have to work under control freaks and stuff and all that, and you have to kind of just flow. Let it flow. Go for a walk, listen to music, sit in nature, drink a nice cup of coffee, and just take a breather. Just walk in the city, just walk in nature, just watch the butterflies, just watch the sky. Switch off TV. Or if you feel that you get inspired by looking at some good comics, watch comics, read some books, watch some nice cassettes, video cassettes, I mean, and maybe look at some art or something. So you don't have to borrow creativity if you want to be original and stuff. So, like, I'll share an example. When I was not feeling that well 10, 15 days back, I really wanted someone to push me. And then I was like, nobody's calling me. Now where does the motivation come from? But मुझे motivation चाहिए नहीं है. I do not require motivation. I just have to push myself. Now somebody is not calling me, somebody is not meeting me, and I'm on medication and stuff. I have to do that. I have to just push myself. So you know what I did? I mean, I just literally was going for a walk every morning and evening and stuff. But I wanted to be in the gym, and I was not able to do it because my throat was down for 15 days, and I was having antibiotics and stuff like that, and I was steaming and everything. I switched on Sultan and I switched on Dangal, and I watched those movies. And 2 days later, the music of Dangal played in my head, and I was like, this is it. This is it. This is it. Now I gotta go to the gym and stuff. So I knew the music of Dangal had arrived in me, and somewhere that girl of Aisi Dhakad hai, Dhakad hai, Dhakad hai, that musical track played in my head, and I knew that I have to now go to the gym. You know, so this is how inspired music can help you. So sometimes you lose your own passion. And this is where I normally advise people that passion के आगे आपको inspiration की भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है, and sometimes that inspiration just comes from anywhere and everywhere. So keep your ears and eyes open also, and be hooked on to people who inspire you, or things that inspire you, and it doesn't have to be people all the time, because it can come from anywhere. So love and luck, and take care, have fun, have a blast. And the caption for this was the Zen meditation, or the Zen mode of creativity, and just flowing. Flow. jkapani@gmail.com, justinKapani.im@gmail.com, and justinKapanioffice@gmail.com. That's my email address. You can get in touch with me. all my email addresses, and I'll be more than happy to get in touch. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.